Right, you ready? You ready? Huh? First storm of the season, let's go. Got a little snow. First good storm of the season. Let's go let the animals out. What do you think? Let's go.
What are you doing? Come on. Come on.
First good storm of the season. Got a little bit. We'll end up clearing the decks. Come on. Let's go let the animals out. Come on. Take you guys with me. Welcome back to life at the compound. Goats and chickens are warm and toasty in their beds. You coming? Got a good bit of snow today. Emby's already clearing the driveway. We'll clear a little more later. All right, let's start by making some room to open the gate. Luckily it's light and fluffy, so it's not heavy at all. Raya, come. Come on, too far. Good girl. All right, come. Come on. All right, come. Good girl. Let's open up some more. Light boy. Perfect. Not a big moment. Easy shoveling. Chickens will be able to get in and out. Perfect. Let's go to the side. We're plugging eggs. shoveled a path. Goats and chickens can get to each other. Deck's cleaned off. Bambi's got the stove going in the garage. A good snow day. Let's see if the girls are ready to wake up. I hear them. I hear them. Let's see. Let's see. Good morning, Mocha. Oreo, good morning, ladies. How you doing in there? We warm and toasty? Yep. Good morning, Reese. Oreo. Come on. Put the rock here. Where the door won't close fully, they can get out. Wanna go let the egg layers out? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I slipped. Good morning. Come on. All right. Let's pop it in here. Close this. We have the latch on that. All right, we're inside the chicken house now. It's 12 by 12 with some house windows. And you're not supposed to be in here. You notice I still have to seal off the front. A little bit of snow is getting in. But this gives the girls a good spot to hang out. Mostly snow free. Let's see if we can let the girls out. It's cold out. They might not come out till later. I see feet. Good morning. Come on. Back out, Mocha. I was actually getting Mocha back out of here. One of the chickens came out and went back in. I think it's warmer in there, so they're happy. Come on. All right. Come on. All right, all the girls are out. We'll go ahead and finish with our chores for the day. Let's shovel the decks and get after it.